Hi, today we're going to be answering some questions from social media. So the first question is, do chiropractic adjustments cause inflammation? That answer is no. So what happens is when you adjust someone, you actually send endorphins to the muscles and the joints, relieving the pressure and actually calming the inflammation in the area and the muscle that's attached to the joint in that area. So chiropractic adjustments cause inflammation? The answer is no. If you have any other questions, please let us know through social media, on our website, or give us a call. Thank you so much.